Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on this BMW and I'll be doing seal replacement for the rocker cover. And this rocker cover, I've already cleaned it up, everything. And this is my new gasket. This is my new gasket, which I got from the dealers, BMW dealers. You can see all the seals. This is from the oil cooler. So basically, this BMW is looking serious oil leak from the seal, rocker cover seal, and also from the oil cooler. You can see like so many oil leaks around this area. So after sorting out the rocker cover, then I have to like do seal replacement for this cooler. I'll have to take everything out and do seal replacement. But basically I'll show you how like I coupled everything back regarding this aspect of this engine and the rocker cover, and I'll show you bit by bit. So basically I've cleaned everything. So the next what I need to do is just to put my new seal on, my new seal on, then I'll show you how I go about it, then opening the back. Also, these are the injectors or soaked oil because it's leaking, and this is the race, so I have to clean everything back, then put them back in. Yeah, so the new seal is on, all ready to go, all clean. You can see ready, smooth, nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in easy. So the rocker cover is in, so all I need to do is just to tie this bolt, and there are E10s bolts around this surrounding body, and pretty much then you see I like the injector are all clean, and pretty much it's not gonna leak anymore. Yeah, okay, I'll show you. So all injector clean, all ready to go in, them inside. Yep. Yeah, the injector chambers is all installed completely, all the injectors clean, put in, and then the injector array all tight with the E10 bolts, everything all tight in, installed. I think everything just to put everything back where I room, and yeah, let's see how it's gonna go be. Okay, yeah, everything have been put in, the wiring in, injector housing, injector rails, everything in, everything plug in. So next bit just to like put all this bit back, put new engine oil, start it up, check, you see, and follow for more of my video in the link above, and please like and subscribe my channel and learn more about how to do things on different cars, BMW, Jaguar, Volkswagen. Yeah, thank you.